Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset vivo T4x 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Now press the power off button to power it off. Okay, now it is successful power off. Now press the power and volume up button for a few seconds. Press and hold it. And now release, and you can see it will send you in vivo 5G fast boot mode. Now here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. Here go to recovery mode and confirm. So you can see it will send you in vivo 5G recovery mode. Install software, clear data, check system, enter safe mode, and on bottom power off and restart is available. Go to clear data and you can see clear all data and clear cache. Go to clear all data. So here you can see clear all data. All data on this device will be cleared, including important data such as contacts, photos and SMS messages. Data cannot be recovered if cleared. Proceed with caution. Tap on OK. Okay, now it is clearing data. Do not use the device. Okay, so you can see all data cleared. Now tap on return. After it, go back, and here you can see on bottom tap on restart. Here you can see restart your device. Tap on OK. And guys, after a hard reset, it might take some time to boot up the device, and after a hard reset, it again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset vivo T4x 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.